The most fascinating insects and spiders in the world. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Nature's Beauty. Today, we're going to be talking about the most fascinating insects and spiders in the world. Insects and spiders are some of the most diverse and successful creatures on the planet. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can be found in every corner of the globe. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most fascinating insects and spiders in the world. We'll also talk about their unique adaptations and behaviors. Fascinating insects and spiders. Here are some of the most fascinating insects and spiders in the world with images. Hercules beetle. The Hercules beetle, dynast Hercules, is the largest beetle in the world. Male Hercules beetles can grow up to 17 centimeters in length and weigh up to 150 grams. Hercules beetles are native to Central and South America. Monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly, Danaus plexippus, is one of the most well-known butterflies in the world. Monarch butterflies are known for their long-distance migrations, which can span thousands of miles. Monarch butterflies are native to North and South America. Giant weta. The giant weta, Deonacrita heteracantha, is the largest insect in the world by weight. Giant wetas can weigh up to 71 grams and grow up to 10 centimeters in length. Giant wetas are native to New Zealand. Goliath birdeater. The Goliath birdeater, Theraphosa blondi, is the largest spider in the world. Goliath birdeaters can have a leg span of up to 30 centimeters. Goliath birdeaters are native to South America. Tarantula hawk. The tarantula hawk, Pompilidae, is a wasp that is known for paralyzing tarantulas and laying its eggs in them. The tarantula hawk wasp is one of the most painful stings of any insect. Tarantula hawk wasps are found all over the world. Orchid mantis. The orchid mantis, Hymenopus coronatus, is a beautiful and camouflaged mantis that is native to Southeast Asia. Orchid mantises are known for their resemblance to orchid flowers. Jewel beetle. Jewel beetles, Buprestidae, are a family of beetles that are known for their brilliant metallic colors. Jewel beetles are found all over the world. Peacock spider. Peacock spiders, Muratus spp, are a group of small jumping spiders that are native to Australia. Peacock spiders are known for their elaborate courtship dances, in which the males display their brightly colored fans to attract females. Giraffe weevil. The giraffe weevil, Trachylophorus giraffa, is a unique weevil that is native to Madagascar. Giraffe weevils are known for their long necks, which can be up to twice the length of their bodies. Trapdoor spider. Trapdoor spiders, Tenosidae, are a family of spiders that build burrows with trapdoors that they use to hide from predators and to capture prey. Trapdoor spiders are found all over the world. These are just a few examples of the many fascinating insects and spiders that exist in the world. Insects and spiders are truly amazing creatures, and their unique adaptations and behaviors continue to amaze and fascinate us. Unique adaptations and behaviors. Insects and spiders have evolved a variety of unique adaptations and behaviors that help them to survive and thrive in their environment. For example, the Hercules beetle has a pair of large horns that it uses to defend itself from predators and to compete with other males for mates. The monarch butterfly has a special camouflage pattern that helps it to avoid being eaten by predators. The giant weta has powerful jaws that it uses to eat leaves and other plant material. The Goliath birdeater is able to spin silk, which it uses to build nests and to wrap its prey. The tarantula hawk wasp has a long stinger that it uses to paralyze tarantulas. These are just a few examples of the many amazing adaptations and behaviors of insects and spiders. Additional information. Here are some additional facts about some of the insects and spiders mentioned in this video. The Hercules beetle is so strong that it can lift over 850 times its own weight. The monarch butterfly can migrate up to 3,000 miles in a single year. The giant weta can live for up to 10 years. The Goliath birdeater can eat small mammals, birds, and reptiles. The tarantula hawk wasp sting is considered to be one of the most painful insect stings in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video about the most fascinating insects and spiders in the world. Insects and spiders are fascinating creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. They are also a source of wonder and amazement. I encourage you to learn more about these amazing creatures and to appreciate their unique adaptations and behaviors. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more videos about nature, wildlife,